What if you could carry an entire OS in your pocket? No installations, no bloat, just plug, boot, and go. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the top 5 portable Linux distros, perfect for USB sticks, old hardware, or just testing Linux risk-free. Let's jump in. Portable distros are tiny, live bootable, and hardware-friendly. They skip heavy desktop environments and focus on core functionality. Think, runs from RAM, no install needed, and often under 500 megabytes. At 5, Puppy Linux, just 300 megabytes but packs a punch. Runs entirely in RAM for insane speed, and it's beginner-friendly. Perfect for rescuing old laptops or quick troubleshooting. Slax takes 4 with its modular design, add or remove features like Lego blocks. It's based on Debian, weighs around 300 megabytes, and even includes a minimalist GUI for convenience. Porteus claims 3 by booting in seconds. It offers a save session feature for persistence, and you can run it entirely in RAM. Bonus, it's based on Slackware for stability. The 2 spot goes to Tiny Core Linux, a 15 megabytes micro distro. Yes, you heard that right. It's terminal-centric, making it a blank canvas for advanced users who want total control. Our one pick, AntiX. This Debian-based distro is ultra-lightweight, systemd-free, and works on ancient PCs. It includes practical tools out of the box, all under 700 megabytes. And that's a wrap on the top 5 portable Linux distros. Whether you're reviving an old laptop, testing Linux safely, or just love minimal systems, one of these distros should be your perfect match. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Which distro are you most excited to try? Or do you have another portable favorite I missed? Let's geek out together. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tips, distro deep dives, and tech guides every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy hacking!